How to plank properly for beginners. Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to plank properly for beginners. Planking is a great exercise for building core strength and stability, but it's important to do it correctly to avoid injury. In this video, we'll cover the proper form, tips and variations of the plank to help you get the most out of this exercise. Step 1. Start position. Start on the floor with your forearms and toes on the ground, hands shoulder width apart. Your body should be in a straight line from head to heels, with no arch in your back or sagging in your hips. Step 2. Engage your core. Engage your abs by squeezing them towards your spine. This helps to keep your body in the correct form. Step 3. Hold. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds, and work your way up to longer holds as you get stronger. Step 4. Breathing. Breathe deeply throughout the hold, and make sure not to hold your breath. Step 5. Progressions. Once you've mastered the basic plank, you can try more challenging variations such as the side plank, the full plank, or even the bird dog plank. Keep your neck relaxed and your gaze straight down at the floor. Don't let your hips sag or lift too high. Maintain a straight line from head to heels. Keep your elbows directly under your shoulders, and avoid shifting your weight to one side. Variation. Side plank. This variation works your oblique muscles, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen. Lie on your side with your feet stacked and prop yourself up on one elbow. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Full plank. For this variation, you'll prop yourself up on your hands instead of your forearms. This will engage your shoulders and triceps more. Bird dog plank. This variation will work your balance and stability, in addition to your core. Start in a full plank position, then raise one arm and the opposite leg off the ground. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Benefits. Planking not only strengthens your core but also improves your posture, helps prevent back pain and injury, and increases your overall stability and balance. Plus, it's a great exercise that you can do anywhere, with no equipment needed. And that's it. With these tips and tricks, you should now be able to plank correctly and effectively. Remember to start slowly and build up your strength gradually. Happy planking!